Black salt, also known as witch's salt, is a powerful tool in witchcraft for protection and banishing negativity. To create your own, start by gathering ashes from incense or previous rituals, adding protective herbs like rosemary and sage when they burn. Mix 2 parts sea salt with 1 part ashes, then blend in black pepper and activated charcoal until the desired black color is achieved, infusing the mixture with your intention. Store the black salt in an airtight jar and use it to protect your home by sprinkling it at thresholds and windows or purifying your space by sweeping it up. Other uses include creating protection spell jars or sprinkling it under your bed to ward off bad dreams. After use, properly dispose of any excess salt by burying it away from your home or scattering it in the wind to release its absorbed negativity.